Hi everyone, before I explain how to solve this question, please subscribe my channel. I will continue to upload videos, so it will help you prepare for your interview. So please subscribe. Today we are going to solve the LeetCode question. Remove all adjacent duplicates in string. So you are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters. A duplicate removal consists of choosing two adjacent and equal letters and remove them. We repeatedly make duplicate removal on S until we no longer can. Return the final string after all such duplicate removals have been made. It can be proven that the answer is unique. So let's see the example. So you are given A, B, B, A, C, A, and the output is C, A. Because so first we can find the duplicate removal to adjacent and equal. So like BB, so we can remove 2B, and then after that we get like A, C, A. In that case, we can also remove A because they are adjacent and equal. So A. So in the end, we get CA. So that's why we should return CA. Okay, so let me explain with this example. I copy this input array from example 1. So basically, I iterate through all characters like one by one. And I think simplest way to solve this question is that I repeatedly iterate through all characters one by one until we don't find adjacent duplicate characters like a BB or AA. But in that case, time complexity of that solution should be like an order of n or cube. That is not efficient solution. And I came up with a linear solution order of n. In that case, I use stack. And basically, I iterate through all character one by one. And every time I put the current character into stack. So let's begin. First of all, we find A. So put A into stack and move next. And then we find B. But I put B into stack. But before that, compare the latest character in stack with current character. And if they are same, we should pop the latest character in stack because they are adjacent and duplicate characters. But in this case, latest character in stack is A and the current character is B, so they are not same. In that case, add B into stack and move next. And again, we find B. Before I add the current character into stack, compare the current character with the latest character in stack. So actually they are same. In that case, I don't add current character, just pop the latest character in stack, so B. And then move next, and we find A, and check the last character in stack, so A. Actually they are same. In that case, I don't add this A into stack, just pop this A from stack. And then move next, we find C, but there is no character in stack, so that's why just add C to stack. And then move next, we find A, compare the last character in stack, and current character is A, so A and C are different. So just add A into stack. So after that, we have to return string. So Python has join to connect all characters and create a new string. I'll show you how in the code. So that is a basic idea to solve this question. As I explained earlier, so time complexity of this solution should be order of n, and the space complexity also order of n, because potentially I have to put all character into stack. So that is the on. So with that being said, let's get into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, initialize stack. After that, start looping. So for character in string, if stack has data and the latest character in stack equal current character, in that case, I pop the character from stack. Else, just add current character to stack. So append and the character. After that, we have to connect all character in stack. So return and no space dot join and stack. Actually, that program connect all characters in stack. So that's it. So let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. So let me summarize step-by-step algorithm. This is a step-by-step algorithm of remove all adjacent duplicates in string. Step 1, initialize stack. Step 2, start looping if stack has data and the latest character in stack is equal to a current character. Then pop the latest character from stack. If not, add the current character to stack. Step 3, connect all characters in stack. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps you understand this question well. If you like it, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.